We have experienced designers who can customize aluminum profiles for you or design your own products. We can provide you with research and development, design, extrusion, deep processing, one-stop services. Control quality from the source. All aluminum ingot supply layers used for production are strictly screened by us. Every production process is strictly tested by our quality inspection department. With a large number of standard aluminum profile molds, can save the mold cost. We have introduced technologically advanced equipment, which has a strong design and production capacity.
Aluminum heat sinks provide a greater range of natural convection solutions for high-power components and systems. Complex spring structures can be created by forcing raw aluminum through an extrusion die. These complex spring profiles allow greater heat dissipation through the increased surface area while eliminating the cost and time associated with machining an equivalent shape from block aluminum.